be a nice treat for you.
We saw that he had Sanchez devastating left hook to the bot. Had tremendous success, forced that knockdown early, then faded pretty quick.
Good jab, stopping him in his tracks.
Villanueva again finding routes to the body, so did Villanueva in that exchange.
You see? Thank you.
I'm not sure I don't agree with you.
I got it, Corey. I was saying.
Kamusta mga brother at maligayang pagbabalik? Quick review muna tayo sa makakalaban ng ating angas ng Pinas Janriel Casimero. Sino nga ba itong si Saul Sanchez? Si Sanchez nga pala mga brother ay ang unang American fighter na makakalaban ni Casimero. Yes mga brother, sa aking pagre-review mga idol, 13 Meksikano na mandirigma lang naman ang tinalo nitong si Sanchez. Siyam dito ay pinatulog niya sa lona. Sa kasalukuyan mga idol ay may kartadang 21 wins, 12 KOs at 3 talo lamang itong si Sanchez. At hindi pa ito nakakaranas matumba sa laban. Ang height ni Sanchez ay 5 foot and 5 inches. Maliit lang din ito at kahit ito ni Inoue. May edad na 27 years old. Mas matanda si Casimero ng 8 taon dahil 35 na nga itong si Casimero. Magpatungo naman tayo sa kanyang boxing career. Ang debut fight ni Sanchez ay sa isang Meksikano na si Castillo. Knockout agad ang resulta noong 2016. Nagtuloy-tuloy nga ang kanyang kartada sa 11 wins, walang talo at naging isang WBO Latino Bantamweight Champion.
WBO Latino Bantamweight Champion, Saul the Beast Sanchez.
Hanggang sa nakalasap nga ito ng talo noong 2019 via split decision. Hindi nga ito natanggap ni Sanchez kaya nagtraining pa ito ng husto.
And new WBO Latino Bantamweight Champion from London.
Nagpatuloy ang karir ni Sanchez. Nakabawi nga ito at nagkaroon ng sunod-sunod na 6 na panalo via KO. Bago ulit ito natalo noong 2022 kay Eros Correa na kanya ding kababayan via split decision. Kung makikita nyo mga idol, isa talagang mandirigma itong si Sanchez dahil ang 2 talo lamang nito ay sa pamamagitan ng split decision. At hindi pa po siya nakakaranas ng matalo via knockout. Dahil nga sa kanyang talo, nagkaroon si Sanchez ng isang laban kung saan nakalaban nito ang isang Venezuelan na isang kababayan ni Valero at isa ding knockout artist na ang pangalan ay si Franklin Gonzalez. May kartada itong 25 wins at 25 KO. 100% knockout percentage din na parang si Valero lang mga idol. Pero alam nyo ba mga idol na tinalo lang ito ni Sanchez via knockout sa loob lang ng round 6. Sumunod nga na nakalaban nito ay ang ating kababayan na si Arby Daniega na isang undefeated. Naganap ito sa Japan mga idol, ngunit natalo dito ang ating kababayan via unanimous decision, pabor kay Saul Sanchez.
デニーガはうまく距離を取りながら戦ってこ
こからパンチをまとめてくるサンチェス
もあの距離になればどんどん距離を取りながら
左ボディアッパー左アッパーさらにパンチが交錯パンチまとめていくのサンチェス一つデニアルガの顔面を捉えたまたコーナーに詰めて右さらに左最後に山をしっかりとサンチェス78対74が1人
Dito na nagkaroon ng tsansa itong si Sanchez na makalaban sa isang world title belt na hawak noon ni Moloney na WBO World Bantamweight belt. Ngunit naluto ang laban mga idol dahil kung papanoorin nyo ng buo itong laban ay halos si Sanchez ay ang may pinakamalinis na patama dito mga idol. Alam niyo naman mga idol, boxing is business. hawak ni Bob Arum yang si Moloney. Dahil nga sa hindi na KO ni Sanchez si Moloney, kaya napasa kamay pa din ni Moloney ang belt via majority decision. Bounce back para kay Sanchez, nakalaban niya ang isa pa nating kababayan na si Arthur Villanueva nito lamang July 12, taong kasalukuyan. Nanalo dito si Sanchez via unanimous decision.
Being the money round.
Rock, you like the trunks of E31? What is it? No? Oh, I'm looking it up.
Nice right hand over the top already. Assuming the posture they would, going toe-to-toe.
To be a nice streak for you, and I think he believes in himself.
Ooh, we saw that he had
Down to 118.
Sanchez devastating left hook to the body.
Almost every time. It's a big cut. Barrage right there.
Villanueva's landing some good shots, and there's a beautiful right hand. One of those Subway KO bonuses with the way that tremendous success scores that knockdown early, then faded pretty quick.
Good jab. Stopping him in his tracks.
Villanueva again finding routes to the body. So did Villanueva in that exchange.
He's not trying to waste shots anymore. And it's early in the round, 30 seconds. Good left hook landed by Sanchez.
And a right hand and another right hand over the top. One thing we are seeing, guys, when Sanchez chooses to jab, or even when he feints the jab, doing well in those exchanges on the inside. But there's a...
You see? Thank you.
I'm not sure.
got it, Corey.
I don't agree with you.
I got it, Corey.
I would say
Good combination.
I think that Villanueva is strong.
Making about $2.50 a day. This is a man with true heart in... Villanueva trying to back him off. Finds a nice right hand. He was finding gloves, but he found an opening. With some sweeping shots there.
Basically, yeah. He definitely bloodied up his nose. Probably late to say on the surface that Sanchez should be ahead.
See how long they are? They're blocking that. So he's not...
But that could still be one every round.
Opponent is punch with him because he's not going to be prepared for that shot. That shot might hurt.
And it just, but that.
And Villanueva earned his respect. He dropped him hard. He lands a nice left hook over the top.
So what do you expect?
He put absolutely everything on that right hand. Sal Sanchez took it and comes right back with a rocket of a right hand of his own.
Oh, boy.
What a finish here from the 35-year-old Arthur Villanueva, who one way or another has...
A way of unanimous decision. The Beast!
At dito na nagkaroon ng chance ulit makalaban si Sanchez sa isang former world champion at 3-division champion na ating kababayan na si Cuadro Alas Janriel Casimero. Pero wag natin ismulin itong si Sanchez kahit wala ito sa top 10 ratings ng Super Bantam. Kahit sa WBA, WBC, IBF at WBO wala po sa top 10 itong si Saul Sanchez. Take note mga idol, never na knockout itong si Sanchez. Puro split decision lang ang talo nito. Kaya mapapatunayang matigas din talaga itong si Saul Sanchez. Mababansagan ba yan na The Beast kung mahina yan mga idol, di ba? So yan nga po ang background ni Saul Sanchez. Ano sa tingin niyo mga idol? Sino kaya ang magwawagi sa kanilang dalawa ni Janriel Casimero sa darating na October 13 ngayong taon? Comment down below your opinion at pag-uusapan natin yan. Hanggang sa muli mga idol, maraming salamat po.
Oh, Casimero got him. He's got him with a bot now. He's given it. He's got him with a body shot, was it?
No, it was on the chin. It was a short right hook to the chin.
And he's in trouble.
It's all over the place.
He's in real trouble. Tete's in a lot of trouble.